Millions of people use lipstick every single day, but have you ever wondered how this tiny beauty product is actually made? Let's step inside a modern cosmetics factory and find out. The journey begins with carefully selected cosmetic waxes, nourishing oils, premium pigments, and skin-safe ingredients. Every material is tested before production starts. The waxes are slowly heated inside large stainless steel tanks until they become a smooth liquid. Then the color pigments are added with incredible precision. Powerful vacuum mixers blend everything together, removing tiny air bubbles and creating a silky, creamy formula. This step is the secret behind lipstick's smooth texture. Now comes one of the most satisfying moments. The liquid formula is poured into hundreds of precision molds, where every lipstick begins to take its iconic shape. The filled molds travel through a temperature-controlled cooling tunnel. As they cool, the soft formula slowly hardens into perfectly shaped lipstick bullets. Once cooled, the molds open automatically, revealing flawless lipsticks. Every piece looks identical thanks to the factory's high-precision manufacturing process. Each lipstick passes through a gentle polishing flame. It lasts only a moment, but it creates the smooth, glossy finish that gives every lipstick its premium look. Next, robotic machines carefully place each lipstick into its elegant tube. Every movement is fast, accurate, and perfectly synchronized. The finished tubes receive their branding and final touches. At this point, they already look exactly like the products you'll find in stores. Before packaging, advanced inspection systems check every lipstick for color, shape, alignment, and finish. Even the smallest defect is automatically removed. Approved lipsticks are placed into premium retail boxes by high-speed automated packaging machines. Everything happens with remarkable speed and precision. Each package is sealed and printed with its batch information. This allows every lipstick to be tracked from the factory all the way to the customer. Robotic arms quickly organize the finished boxes into shipping cartons, preparing thousands of products for delivery every single day. Inside the warehouse, automated systems manage inventory while forklifts move pallets efficiently, keeping the entire operation running smoothly. Loaded trucks leave the factory and begin delivering thousands of lipsticks to beauty stores, shopping malls, and customers around the world. After an incredible manufacturing journey, the finished lipsticks finally reach store shelves, ready to become part of someone's everyday beauty routine. From carefully selected ingredients to a flawless luxury finish, every lipstick is the result of precision, technology, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching Skay Factory Docs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which factory we should explore next.